Hello everyone, welcome to the third video on simple present tense. You please watch first and second video for better understanding of this video. In last video we have discussed about the uses of do and does in the sentences. Let us start with the understanding what role do and does what role do and does play in the English grammar. Let us understand. These two are having two roles in English. First role as an auxiliary verb. It has three functions. First function is creating negative sentences or creating negative sentences. Second, for asking questions, for asking questions. And third, for adding emphasis. These are the three roles as an auxiliary verbs they play. Now, what is the second role? I'll erase this and let us discuss about the second role of this. Second role is for it plays the role of main verb. Let us have the look in detail now. Now, at first we'll see what role it plays as creating negative sentence in simple present tense. Creating negative sentences. She doesn't eat breakfast. She doesn't eat breakfast. So here does plus not, and then we get the negative contraction. Does plus not is added together and we get doesn't. So for such type of sentence formation, the verb do or does are used. Now here we don't we don't eat fast food. We don't eat fast food. Again here do plus not is added and the outcome is doesn't. Don't. For creating such type of negative sentences, do or does are used in English grammar. Now next, for asking questions. This is very important thing. This is very, very important. For asking questions, if you pay attention very clearly, then you can ask question in simple present tense. See, next one. How to use it for asking questions? Let us see. How to ask question? Does she eat breakfast? Does she eat breakfast? Next, do we eat fast food? Do we eat fast food? Such type of interrogative sentences we can use with the help of do or does in simple present tense for asking questions. Now, for adding emphasis, how should we add emphasis? By using do or does in simple present tense. Let us see that also. Let us see through the example. She does eat breakfast. It will be emphasized by the verb does. We show more emphasis. Whatever thing will happen, but she will surely eat breakfast. So she does eat breakfast. Next, we do eat fast food. We are emphasizing the activity. In this way, do and does is used. Now let us see the how these words are used as main verb. We'll have the example of main verb here. He does homework. He does homework. Here, does is playing the role of main verb. Main verb. Now, next example. They do duty honestly. They do duty honestly. Here, do is playing role of main verb. I hope it is clear to you. Now, let us have some sentences. Now, here some images are there which are part of our routine life. Alarm rings, she brushes, she eats, she cooks. Like this same. Let us have some examples for routine. In this video again we are discussing about the routine. In next video we'll change the use of simple present tense. Now here today we will make all the sentences by using all the subjects. I, we, you, they. And then also we'll use he, she and it. We'll make this column separate. This is the column of subject. Now we'll use verb. We'll use play, perform, complete, take, give. We'll use run, walk, open. Then we'll use object, we'll use as per our choice. Let us start the sentences. Here some previous sentences are there. Let me erase. Yes. Now let us see. We'll use this subject and we'll use walk. I walk every morning. I walk every morning. This is the routine. Now here walk is the base form of the verb. It is made up of two different types of verbs. Do is helping verb and walk is main verb, and it is the base form of the verb. And to walk is the infinitive. In to walk, if we add do, then it will become walk. And then we are using this form of the verb in simple present tense and it has already do into it. Now we are using this do for framing the interrogative sentence out of this sentence. Now, do I walk every, sorry, do I walk every morning? Then I don't walk every morning. Every morning. And here, don't I walk every morning? Every morning. We'll do one sentence of this group. He gives me a book. Here, he gives me a book. To give is infinitive form of the verb. Then it will get added with do and it will become give. When we add does to it, it will become gives. And we have used this verb here, so it is made up of give as a base form of the verb plus does. Then this infinitive form, it never changes in any of the tenses. See, we'll have the example of this also, but at first we'll clear this. He gives me a book. How should we frame interrogative out of it? Does he give me a book? Here, negative. He doesn't give me a book. Here, without fail, you have to put question mark. Otherwise, sentence will go wrong. He doesn't give me a book. And then negative interrogative. Doesn't he give me a book? Like this, you should practice. Now, to give infinitive form, we'll use she likes to give me a book. Here, likes is main verb and to give is infinitive. It will not change. Let us see how. Now here likes, it is main verb. So likes is made up of like plus does. Oh, like it is. I wrote it wrong. Likes. And it is made up of like plus does. So for framing the interrogative sentence, we have to use does. Does she like to give me a book? Question mark. Now negative. She doesn't like to give me a book. And here next one, negative interrogative. Doesn't she like to give me a book? Question mark. Now what was the thing you did you learnt today? That is use of infinitive. It will not change at all in any form of the sentence. It will remain same. Thank you. Next information, next use of the simple present tense we'll see in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.